Welcome to GCb Trust, and thank you for registering for an account. This video guide will provide a step-by-step walkthrough of the process for uploading documents to your GCb Trust profile. Step 1. Log in to your GCb Trust account. Upon successful login, the corresponding screen will appear. Step 2. Locate my profile on the left navigation pane and click on it. Step 3. In the header menu, select Files. This action will reveal the section fields for uploading your documents. Step 4. To upload the documents, click Browse, attach your documents, click Save, and repeat the process until all documents are attached. Note: please verify your file types, such as JPEG, PNG, GIF, TIFF, etc. Step 5. Ensure that all required documents have been uploaded before logging out. After the administrator has reviewed and verified the documents, and if everything is in order, you will receive the account number, subject to KYC approval.